Now, next we are going to create two-dimensional nailboard drawing. So in order to create a two-dimensional reference document or to create a full-scale nailboard that wire harness can be constructed with, all you have to do is select a nailboard tool with your harness active. So here the nailboard command is there. So click on that. Select the template that you will use to and click on OK. So it will be generating a drawing. What Inventor will do is to take your existing harness and lay it out as a flat. The results may or may not be exact what you want, but initially it will lay your drawing like this in a scale 1:1. You can augment this drawing by adding the things like adding the harness dimension. So I will be just right click and clicking on adding harness dimension rather than using a normal dimension. So all the dimensions has now been added. Similarly, I can also add some other changes. So I can right click and clicking on property display, clicking on all parts, all pins, pin name, and simply click on OK and specify the direction of location. So now as you can see, all the pins are displayed with the label with a different color value. This will gives a great visual representation of the color of the wire compared to the pin that it goes to. If you want or if you need to be make in order to make modification the physical appearance of the harness as well. For example, these pins are little too close together. I can right click on the point, right click on this point and go to fan in out, go to fan out and specify the angle, let's say 150 degree. Okay. So now as you can see, it will be changed the angle across around 150 degree and it will just give them a little bit of extra spread. I can also set a pivot by right click and that is option of pivot. This is my starting point of the pivot. This is my ending point. Click and drag. So it will be helpful me to add the pivot as well. While this might not be totally necessary for a shorter branch like this, but if you have a large number of branches that are close together in your 2D nailboard, you can spread them out a little bit or pre-positioning things so that they display in a proper loom. So I will be just go to the click on finish and here there is option of create table as well. So I can click on create table and import the files, Excel CSV file. From that in the last video I have exported out the CSV file. So you can also bring that table in your drawing as well. So this is your CSV file which is going to be imported. So now I can double click on this table or go to the edit and here there is option of create ID, cable ID, wire ID, part number and you can also edit the information from here as well. Now next there is also option of adding or removing the column. So I can double click on the table. Here there is option of column chooser and from here let's say I want to remove the cable ID, strip length. So you can also remove strip length, cable ID from this list as well. So double click, chooser column, strip length, also remove. Okay.